Hey friends, if you encounter the gray screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult to resolve. Here's what you have to do. First of all, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. The next solution is to update the display drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update driver. Right click on the second one and then again select update driver to make sure that you have the latest display driver. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to perform Windows memory diagnostic. So search for memory diagnostic and go to Windows memory diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.